Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and it's time to call out the names of the winners of the giveaway. Now, listen, this developer got down on his watch face. The name of it is called Steel Sport. Many of you liked it. The developer really did a good job. I'm telling you, keep an eye on this guy because he's doing awesome work on some watch faces. And we also got another one to do a review for him. There's going to be a giveaway for that one too as well, so look out for that one. So if you didn't get your name called this time, you could possibly get your name called the next time, but you got to comment in the comment section down below in order to be eligible to win a free awesome watch face. We do want to thank the developer in the door for the donation of all the watch faces to all the different countries that he has given to. We really appreciate you, and I also want to thank you all for even participating in this giveaway as well. I hope you're having a great Saturday. I'm hoping it's ending well. We sent out a couple of awesome videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Brother really got down on some watch faces this week. Listen, we got more to come, people, for tomorrow, so look out for it. We also got the giveaway for the 10,000 subscriber name that we got to call out as well, so make sure you look out for that one. And with that being said, we're going to get you in, we're going to get you out. So let's get started. Let's call out the names of the winners. Now we're going to start off with the U.S. and Kryptonia. Congratulations. Jackie, congratulations to you as well. We got Vincent, that's a winner. And we also got Daryl Gray. Congratulations to all you guys that got your email. I will be sending you the watch face code. We also got Canada, Trap Shooter, Steve, we got Ronnie. Congratulations to you guys from Canada. We got the UK, Richie. My man Richie is in the building. Congratulations to you. We got David Tolbert. We got Alan McLean, and we got Hamster Ruler. Now the last two names that I call, I don't know if I can get you to email me. I've been trying to send you watch face codes before, so if you see this video, email me so I can send you your free code. Now we also got Denmark. Jan, you're the only one from Denmark, but if you know 3 more people, we got 3 more watch face codes to give away that we can't give away. So hit me, let me know if you know anybody that wants a free watch face code from that country. And then we got Raj. Congratulations from Raj. He's from India. He's also a winner. Congratulations to all you all. Again, remember, we got another one coming up where we're giving away the same amount of watch faces, like 4 for every country. Just comment in the comment section down below when you see a giveaway, and listen, your name can be called. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We got more watch face reviews coming, so look out for that. And we also got a couple of product reviews that's coming up as well. All right, you all, I got to get out of here. I know you got to get out of here. Go ahead, finish off the rest of your night, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.